Hi, my name is John Davis. I am 37 years old. I am studying on Business Administration, University Nacional Abierta y a Distancia. Unity 1, Unity 2, Task 3, Writing Task Forum, English Level 2. State 1. 2 weeks ago, my family and I went to celebrate my mother's birthday. We were in the Andres Cepeda restaurants. The name of the restaurant is Isla Morada. It's located in the municipality of Sopó, just outside Bogota. We shared a delicious lunch. We stayed for 5 hours. There, well, I enjoyed excellent food, good drinks. They have outdoor activities. The value of the consumption was high, 1,002,000 COP for 13 people, but it was used for the place and the food. The restaurant has a space for relaxation that I liked. Love we share and share that swing to have rest after lunch. Stage 2. The video the Isla Morada restaurant in Sapa. The Isla Morada restaurant is located on the outskirts of the Bogota. During the road trip, I was cloudy with a small rains. When the weather was very way away and now it was sunny and couple of hours later I was running and very busy. Then the sun returned and the end of the afternoon I was very cool, almost frozen. It is at the recommendation for the people. 1. You can dress informally. 2. It is an excellent place where you should meet as a family. 3. Sopó is a municipality where you could enjoy a Manus desert. 4. You could do all activities. You can have a celebration on the Isla Morada restaurant. 6. Together with his wife, they could have a romantic evening. 7. You may be deleting when the is the place. 8. I will soon return to the restaurant Isla Morada. Stage 3. Why should the people in the place you visit the last vacation? 1. The people at the Isla Morada restaurant in Supo should treat the picada caribeña. 2. You can maybe enjoy on the coconut milkshake. 3. If they like adventure, they should go through the obstacle course. What should not the people do in Isla Morada restaurant? 1. People shall not be sad. 2. They cannot eat of something horrible. 3. People may not want to return to the city so, but to the Isla restaurant. It is all. Thank you for the attention. Bye.